STN. We are coming to you from Tampa Bay, Florida.
I'm Sergio Ortiz.
And I'm Rocco Castro.
Today we are focusing on services.
We'll be taking a look at local organizations that provide services to their community.
And we'll show you how you and others can get involved too.
Today, we'll be joining Kyle on his journey to the library.
Kiana will be discussing how student television networks help services students in not only Tampa, but across the country.
And Lewis will be making a visit to the Humane Society of Tampa Bay.
All this and more on this special episode of Python TV.
Python TV starts now. Sergio, have you ever had a library card?
Of course I've had a library card. The library is an awesome way to stay connected and educated.
Oh, let's check in with Kyle to see exactly how to get involved and what services they can provide. And maybe he can get me a library card.
Good afternoon, I'm Kyle Derset. Today we'll be talking about how libraries do more than lend books. They provide services that help the whole community today. Today we'll hear about how people who make it happen and people who benefit from it.
Well, the library is like for me. Library, it could be also like a bookstore. It's a very enjoyable place to be. Oftentimes we have circumstances that are not tangible, but we have to find a solution to the problem. But overall, it's a good thing. So, it's like you're at the library now. You're learning something I don't know much about that, but through you, I'm learning. So. Learning is, somebody said, and I quote, smart people learn from everyone. I think it was Plato. Smart people, or wise men or women, learn from everyone and everything. Average people learn from their own experiences. The fool have all the answers. So that's why I said it's a good means of learning, the library itself. We got books, we got music, we got the computer, we have Wi-Fi, and the list goes on and on.
What an impactful way to help service the Tampa community. I'm Kyle Derset, reporting for Python TV.
There are so many ways the library services the community, and we wouldn't thrive as a community without them. We'll be right back after the short break.
Did you know that recycling can make a big difference in your community? Here in downtown Tampa, we're working towards a cleaner, greener future, and we need your help. Recycling is easy. It just starts by making the right decisions. In downtown Tampa, we have recycling bins in nearly every corner. Remember, recycling reduces waste, saves energy, and helps protect our beautiful environment. Together, we can make downtown Tampa a shining example of sustainability. Recycle today and help us create a better tomorrow.
Sergio, do you know the benefits of STN?
Yes, Student Television Network. It is a great outlet for students to tap into their creative side.
Not only that, STN goes above and beyond to help service students in a national competition.
Now on to Kiana for more on STN.
Today we are here reporting from STN 2025 in Tampa, Florida. We're here today to see how Student Television Network excels in servicing the future storytellers of tomorrow. Let's see exactly how they do that.
I think STN is really serving the community of future storytellers by creating a space in which that we can all perform and create ideas and projects. I think STN does a lot to promote the growth of this community. I mean, we try and make it really easy for people to come here to interact with us. So we do a lot to try and include absolutely everybody and to kind of inspire a certain level of creation. I remember when I participated in STN, it was some of the most life-changing experiences of okay, so we actually have to meet deadline, but still enjoying what we're creating to still find that creative spark even under immense pressure.
STN had made an impact to my life because I learned a lot of things that go behind making even a short video. There's a lot of things that go behind all the work, and I just learned so much about, the media world.
Wow, nothing quite compares to STN. For Python TV, I'm Kiana Moya reporting.
After all that information, I'm proud to be a part of STN.
Me too. It really brings out the best in me.
You know what else can bring out the best in you? Adopting a new furry friend.
Now on to Lewis.
Every year, over 3.1 million dogs are left abandoned at shelters. According to the ASPCA, over 2 million dogs are adopted annually. Even though that sounds like a lot, that means there's still over 1 million dogs that are left desperate for a home. Adopting a dog has such a positive impact in people's lives. Many studies have shown that having a dog gives many benefits, such as reduced stress and enhanced responsibility. But there's hope. Just imagine all the walks you're going to have with your dog. For example, here, not here. So if you're in the market for a dog, just know it's better to visit a pet shelter rather than a breeder. Back to you, Rocco and Sergio.
Well, STN, that's all that we have for you today.
Thanks for joining us on this special edition of Python TV.